Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate the RedotPay physical card. So if you don't want to use the RedotPay physical card any further, you can just simply deactivate or delete the card permanently. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to simply launch your RedotPay application, then sign in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, tap on this cards tab here in the bottom, then select your physical card. Now when you select your physical card, you just have to tap on the option of settings, and here in the card actions you are going to see the option of delete card or deactivate this particular card permanently. Now when you tap on this option, you need to provide the reason why do you want to delete this particular card. So among these given options, you just have to select the option that you want to select. Afterwards, you just have to press next. On the next page, you just have to simply follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully delete or deactivate your RedotPay physical card. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.